Now guys, just before we start with the F6 update video, I wanted to announce I've finally got some more merch. So we have got a new drop happening right now. All of this is live, so we've got hats for sale. We've got a couple of different sticker designs here. Also got air fresheners now, guys, so this is a big thing. It's up here on my F6. And yeah, guys, look, the store is live right now. A link is in the description right now. Once these are gone, they're not going to be coming back. So every time I do another merch drop, I'm going to change it up, different colors, designs, different things. So leave a comment down below what you want next, and I hope you guys grab something. Appreciate your support. Enjoy the video. What is going on, guys? It is a beautiful day here in Perth. The sun is not shining, and we're going to be finally getting some of the mods on the F6. So I'm really stoked today. We're doing the radiator, doing the intercooler, battery relocation kit, cold air intake, blow off valve. It's gonna be pretty full on, but I'm really excited to see how much we get through and what the end result is gonna be. So at the moment, we're just starting to take off the front bar, probably do the radiator first, then the intercooler, then drop it down and do all the piping and the cold air intake and everything. So let's get into this thing, because I'm really excited.
Now guys, this was a massive job, and I have to firstly thank Hank, my filmer for the day, and also my very mechanical neighbor for honestly doing the whole job for me. I was just a set of hands basically. Now first off, we started taking the front bar off, undoing all of the bolts and unclipping it. This really is a two-man job, but once it was off, we started disconnecting all of the hoses from the intercooler and unbolted it so we could slide it out through the bottom. We then continued taking apart all of the intercooler piping.
What you got there?
Piece of shit.
I don't know.
Next we drained all the radiator fluid and then removed the radiator, only to realize it was the wrong one all along. Crazy.
We've got a completely wrong radiator actually that was on this. Look at the size difference there. That must be, yeah, naturally aspirated. Far out. That might be another reason why she was getting a bit warmer.
It's about half the width.
It is. It is about half.
You could fit two of these in one of them.
Yeah, you could, 100%, yeah. Far out.
Good thing you bought a replacement.
That is a very good thing.
And you got more. And you bought more fluid.
Yes.
Yeah, chuck it up.
Schmick. That's what you want it to look like.
Full size too.
Yeah. Yeah, we can see that it's the right size now too. Wow, Jesus.
Then the fun really started to happen. Here I am struggling to remove this hose off the turbo, and man, this was not an easy job. This car having over 200,000 kilometers on her, it really was stuck on. But victory! I did manage to get it off after about 40 minutes of suffering under the car.
I have done some work. See guys, I got proof right here. But we have swapped out the radiator. So the new one is in here. You can even see like it's way thicker than the old one, because that old one wasn't even the right one that was supposed to be in there. That was a naturally aspirated radiator, I think. Now we've just taken the battery out. Some of these pipes have gone, and we've just taken the one down off the turbo, which was a pretty prick of a thing. But now she's done, and yeah, she's gonna tell us what we have to do next.
Set it on fire.
Boom.
So continuing, here I am removing the old airbox so we have space to bolt in the battery relocation kit. And after hours of removing things, getting cold, dirty, and wet, it was time to mount the intercooler. How cool does this look?
It was pretty tight to get in. There's an aircon hose line down here. You've got to bend it quite significantly to make it fit, which was pretty dodgy, but it's in. And one really funny little quirk I found about the car, as I was mounting this in, see if we can get this on camera here, is right here we have a sticker that is factory made in Canada. That is something I did not expect I was going to see on this car today, but that is really funny to see that something on this thing from factory was made in Canada. So that's made my day already. Intercooler's on, radiator's on, about to do the piping now, and then we've just got to do the battery relocation and the cold air intake and pretty much done. So it's actually going pretty sweet at the moment.
The concentration. Oh man, what am I doing? Now came the absolute mess of pipes we needed to bolt up and make fit. It's crazy actually how much you need to bend, smash, fabricate to get all of this to fit, but in the end we did manage. Since the car was overheating, I only thought it was right to change the thermostat also, and this was quite an easy and cheap fix.
Is that how you change the thermostat?
There you go.
And while I tightened up all of the new pipes and clamps, my great neighbor bolted up the battery relocation kit and wired it all up.
Alright, so battery is being relocated and hooked up over there. We've just duct taped the ends here for now until we can hide them a little bit better. Pod filter has gone in. The box here is roughly in. And hey! Got a little bit wet. It's working. And yeah, we're just tightening all these clamps. Just getting ready to do the last kind of finishing touches here basically. So it's looking pretty good. We're finally getting it all done. Alright boys, so we're getting ready to, pretty much most of this is all done now. So we're just filling it back up with coolant. So just got some premix Nulon if you want to sponsor the channel one day. And how many liters does this take again? 12. Should take 12 liters. So we got two 6-liter ones. And this could be a little bit of a long process. Sideways. There you go. Look at this. How much faster is that? That looks like proper coolant as well. Yeah. Not that watery shit we pulled out of it. Yeah. I'm so tempted to give it a rev right now, but I don't want to wait till it's all A-okay.
She's alive and running. Job done. No, we still have to clean it all up and put the front bar back on, which was not an easy task. And again, I've really got to thank Hank and my great neighbor for sticking through it and helping me in this very long, wet, cold day, because this really, it was a massive job, and the fact that we managed to get the majority of it all done was quite impressive. Now, we didn't end up fitting the blow-off valve because we're going to have to do some welding and some cutting to actually fit that, and for now, I think it's best if I just test it without the blow-off valve.
Go stu-stu-stu-stu-stu. Stu-stu-stu. Yes.
And this is what the engine bay looks like now. This is the next day. I've managed to clean it up a little bit. We still had not put the cover on. I actually did put this on today. I had to do a bit of hammering, a bit of finding some more screws. It does look really good now in this engine bay. It's spot on, in fact, and I really couldn't be any happier. So now we're really getting close to the final stretch. We're going to get this thing tuned very soon. Valve springs. We're also going to get a transcooler put in. And we've got the 3.5-inch X-Force exhaust system in the garage with a 4-inch dump. So we good to go, guys. This car is going to be an absolute missile once she is finished. And even though she's got 200,000 Ks on her, I love this car. So thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you on that next video.